Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We had Taylor Swift here with a song called The Tortured Poets Department, and that is also her new album's title there. So we just gotta have this song here with us. So let's take a look at this 4-chord song. So it's pretty much the same playing throughout the entire song here. So we're gonna look at the chords first, and then I'm gonna take you through this chord progression. So let's start with C first. We have third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have F, the bar chord, so you're gonna play your index finger and bar the first fret over all strings there, and then you need to add third on D, A, third on D, and second on G. We have A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. Third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so we're gonna look at this strumming pattern as well. So if you go to the C, that is the first chord. One string around will be down, clap. So that is one round. So down, clap. So down, clap, down, and then a short pause, and then comes the clap, and then right after you start the second round there. So right? If you don't want to clap all strings there, you don't want to kill the sound totally, you can just hit the clap or just hit the E string there with the thumb, and that makes the other strings there ring out a little bit more. I prefer to do the clap on all strings this time for this song. I think that is very suited for this song, so that's just me and my references, but anyway, you do it in your way. Anyway, let's start this chord progression and go with the verse play. And it's very similar throughout the song here. So we're gonna play C2, then F2, back to C2, F2. All right, and then you're gonna go one string around for A minor, G, C, and F. And then A minor 1, G1, and that's it for the verse play. So okay, that's how the verse ends, and then starts the chorus in the same way as the verse started. So you're gonna play C2, F2, C2, F2, then A minor, G, C, and F, one string around of all these chords, and then A minor, G, and C. So it just goes in the same way the verse and the chorus play. So no changes there. You have a post-chorus part afterwards that goes C2, F2, C2, F2. So it's just this beginning of all these verses and choruses. You're gonna play that for the post-chorus part. And then of course, when you start after the post-chorus, you continue again with the C2, F2, C2, F2. So this is pretty much the same throughout the song. The only difference there will be at the bridge part about 2 minutes and 45 seconds into the song. This C2, F2 goes for 4 times. Okay, so they pair up C2, F2 for 2 times in the verse and chorus play, but at this bridge part at 2 minutes and 45 seconds in, you double that up, so you play C2, F2 for 4 rounds, and then you just continue in the same way: A minor 1, G1, C1, F1, and then A minor 1 and G1, and then you just continue with the C2, F2, and so on. So pretty much, if you look at this, the verse play, the chorus play is the same, and then the bridge part is a little extended version of this intro with C2, F2. That's it, guys. Taylor Swift, The Tortured Poets Department. Nice song, fits guitar very well. Hope you enjoyed it, and Play tuned.